Hey YouTube, this is Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, here for linuxmusicstudio.com, and I have a little product review for you guys today. And what this is in my hand here, this is the Commlite LED or mini LED light for mobile phones. And I picked this up because right now I'm actually in my drum room, my little studio, and I have some like really terrible lighting in this place. And I wanted something that was small that I could just attach to my phone. And this thing looked pretty cool, so I'm going to test it out and we'll see how it works. It's got some interesting stuff that comes with it. Let me just open it up right here. Okay. First off, you have your charging cable. And then we have the light itself, which is right here. And it's really small, very thin and light. I charged it already, so it should be good to go. And then another thing that's cool here, it comes with a couple of different diffusers. It comes with a regular, just white diffuser, as well as, open these, well, they're attached together, but there's a blue one and then a orange one. So this is like supposed to be, I guess the orange one would be for outdoor lighting, and the blue one would be to give more of an indoor cold look. Depending on what you're going for. So what I wanted to do is actually just attach this thing to my phone. God, I can't undo these. There we go. So, and also, in addition to those, it also comes with a little connector that you can attach the light to the top here, and then this holds your phone, and then this can screw onto the tripod. So that's actually pretty useful. So you can have this connected directly to your phone, so wherever you move your phone, you're shining the light. And let me just turn this on so you can see. Hold down the power button, and it's pretty darn bright. It's got a level adjustment as well that I'm not sure how well that works. Oh yeah, whoa, yeah, it gets really bright when you turn it up all the way. That's actually pretty damn bright. I'm surprised. So you can see right now it's actually making quite a difference in the look. If I put the diffuser on it, let's see how that does. So this is with the orange diffuser, and that definitely makes me look pretty orange. And let's try the blue. You could do some pretty cool effects with this thing, it seems like. There's the blue one, that's kind of neat. It's very cold looking. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn out all the lights and then do some recording with just this. And there's the white one. So, yeah, that's pretty neat. Yeah, this room, like I said, it has very terrible lighting, and that's not too bad. Being as I wear glasses, it's actually pretty hard to get like good lighting and not reflect off my glasses. I would generally want to have it like, somewhere up here. That's probably the best I could do. But I'm not really going for like, anything fancy here. I just want to test it out and see how well it lights up, and maybe I can get some neat looking effects playing the drums. I'm actually seated at my drum set right now. You can't see it, but I'm going to turn off all the lights and just use this light as my lighting source, and maybe we'll get some interesting looks that way. So here we go. Let me check it out. All right, so this is the only light that I'm using in the room. And right now I just have the plain white diffuser on there, and I think it looks pretty cool actually. Too bad you can't see my whole body. I forgot to bring my fisheye lens, but maybe that would be too much stuff to really test with the light. But yeah, okay, I'm going to go ahead and record a little bit of drums. I'm going to play a little bit here and just see how it goes. right, so that was that. I went through all the different light colors, and right now this is still the only light source I'm using is the little LED light that I have attached to the phone. And I should mention the phone that I'm using is a Moto 5G, so it's not like a super great phone, but it has a decent camera on it. And again, like I said, because of the light and my glasses, that is one common problem I have with lighting in general. And so does everybody with glasses. And this is why a lot of times when you see people on TV, they're wearing glasses that don't have any lenses in them, because it makes it easier for the lighting. Now, yeah, so I mean, I'm really amazed at how powerful this thing is. And I also still have the blue diffuser on it right now. But this thing is like insanely powerful for the size, and it charges really quickly. Now that I'm sitting here talking in front of the camera, I might as well go through the different diffusers as well in this view so you can see the difference. All right, so this is the plain white diffuser. This one looks pretty normal. It's kind of cool having this as the only light source. It gives it an interesting look, especially in this little tiny room. Casts like kind of a shadow behind me, which is kind of neat. Now, I don't know like what you would be going for, like to use this for. Like, I mean, I have very specific needs that I use stuff, but if you want to do like, you know, if you just need a little portable light to move around with you, these things seem to be pretty cool. And I didn't mention before, the link to buy this is actually down below. It's an Amazon link. So if you want to get one for yourself, you can. They're about 30 bucks, I think. And now let's go ahead and switch to the next diffuser. And this is the last one. This is the orange diffuser, and I think this is the best one for a person, because it gives that natural like skin tone look. So it's pretty nice. If you're going for like some kind of a special effect, then the blue or the white one might be cool too. Or depending on where you are and the type of lighting that's already in the room that you wanted to use. Now, if I turn on the light, which is all the way on the other side, and I have to get around my drums, and this is tiny, so I can't really do that. So depending on what you're using these for, like having the different diffusers is definitely nice. And it's very small. You can just put it in your pocket. It's no bigger than your phone. It's actually smaller than my phone. And it's insanely bright. So anyway, if you're just looking for a little portable light, like I said, the link's down below. You can get one for yourself. And if you like these kind of videos and you want to contribute, you can check out my Patreon page, which is just patreon.com/LinuxMusicStudio. I'll see you guys really soon. Take care.